Hello sugar farms, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing several tips on how to make your very first birthday cake. Alright, I'll be making two different videos. This one would be for the baking, and then another one I'll be sharing with you how to decorate a simple birthday cake. This is for basically beginners, but if you're having problem trying to make your cake come out perfect, this is for you. So the very first tip I will be sharing with you is you need to have your measuring things out. Okay, you have to get them. These sets of cups, sets of spoons, you need them. And also you need a scale. All right, you see this scale, it is very important. It gives you an accurate measurement. Tip number 2, if you're using your cup and you don't have a scale at hand, please do not dip your cup into the flour. What you want to do is to use a spoon or anything to scoop the flour into your cup and level it. Okay, this way you're not packing excess flour. Okay, the third tip is to prepare and measure all ingredients before you start. Okay, before you start anything, it is important that you prepare and plan properly. So it's the same thing with baking. Baking is science. You don't just come up one day and say, oh, I'm going to put in 2 cups of this and 2 cups of that. No, you measure out your ingredients, you sift your flour, you measure out the sugar, you measure out every single thing, so that when each time for the recipe comes or the ingredient comes for you to put it, you are able to add it without having to start running around doing all the things that you should do. So it is important that you measure everything. On to the fourth tip. This tip is important. It is, please break your eggs into a separate bowl before you add it to the main bowl. Why? Because your eggs can always have a bad egg in them, and you don't want to add the bad egg to the good one. So it is important that you do this in all your cakes. All right, now you've measured all your ingredients. You're not having too much flour, too much butter, too much sugar, too much egg, or whatever. You are ready to bake your cake, and this is the very first step. All right, tip number 5, do not overmix your butter. Another common mistake beginners make while baking is to overmix butter. I have done it. A lot of people have done it. The very first cake I did was like bread. All right, so don't be afraid when this happens. But I want to tell you now that overmixing butter does not make it better. It doesn't make it any better. Okay, it just makes it have more gluten in it. And when gluten develops, it will make the cake to be dense. It will be more like bread, donuts. It will no longer be as soft and fluffy as normal cake is supposed to be. So what you want to do is do not overmix. Add your ingredients the way the recipe calls for it, and once you notice that the last flour has mixed properly, please stop overmixing. All right, then I want to also tell you, please note that this is not bread that you're making cake. All right, it has to be soft and moist and fluffy. So once you have mixed everything together, please stop and move on to the next step. All right, tip number 6 is to grease your pan. This is very important. You can either use butter, you can use oil, if those are what you have at hand. Then you can also align or line your pans with baking paper. Now you can get this in the market. It is very important to add the baking paper if your batter is runny, like you're using oil-based cake batter. All right, then once you have aligned your pan, what you want to do is to scoop in and also smooth out the top of your cake. Please ensure that you do not over add or over pour or overfill your pans. Then after that, you tap it on your table, and this is how you make your first ever cake batter. All right, tip number 7 is do not open your oven while your cake is in there. All right, once you put your cake inside, Please do not open your oven, okay, until your cakes are baked. You can give it 30 minutes before you open your cakes. The final tip: once your cake is out of the oven, allow it to cool down. Once it cools down, take it out from the pan using a spatula, a straight spatula or a knife. Take it out of the pan, place it on a rack or on a board so that it will cool completely before you wrap. Some people can also wrap maybe when it's warm and put it in the freezer. That way it retains its moisture. All right, endeavor to wrap in a cling film or in a neat nylon. Okay, yes, you wrap in a cling film or in a neat nylon, and that way you're retaining moisture until either when you want to eat it or you want to cut it. So this is the whole video on how to bake your first cake. Please do not forget to like, to comment, to also share this video with someone. See you in the next video. Bye.